Hey guys, it's Kristen. Thank you for being here. I wanted to put together a little video for all those who are in the Cookbook Club email series and the Facebook group to share all of my top tips for one of our favorite recipes. But first, a little introduction because we have a few helpers today. We got Melody and Eliza. And what are we going to be making?
Chocolate chip cookies!
First tip is about the chocolate. Does it matter? It totally does. And Guittard is always the winner when I taste test with other people. I also do a mix of milk chocolate and semi-sweet because you never know what people like. And so doing a mix usually means everyone will like them. Another key tip for most cookies is to use just softened butter. You want to be able just to push it in just a little bit. You don't want it too soft or melted because it will cause the cookies to go really flat once you're baking them. Doing awesome. Add your eggs and you're going to mix it until it's nice and fluffy. What do you think?
Good.
If you follow me on social, you know that I love the Dough Makers cookie sheets. Not only are they large, you can fit 15 cookies, but you don't have to grease them. They work so well. The cookies always cook evenly, so make sure that you have a really good cookie sheet when you're making cookies. If you want jumbo or bakery style cookies, no problem. Just use your scoop and do a double scoop. Press it down on top of it, and then you're gonna bake these guys for a little bit longer. While cookies are baking, you're gonna prep your chips. You're also gonna get a spatula, and I'll show you why here in a second. As soon as the cookies come out, you're just gonna use the back end of a spatula and just kind of round it out so it looks nice and perfect. You can use a circle cookie cutter as well, but I think the spatula is easier and gets it nice and round. And then you're gonna add some chips on top. Make them nice and pretty. You guys are doing a good job. Those look yummy, don't they?
Yeah.
No grease needed for this pan. Isn't that amazing? It just comes right off.
So good.
So yummy. You got chocolate over your chin, Eliza. She's fallen.